His rush for 90. Braxton Miller has rushed for 91. With 35 yards rushing last week. They have 229 tonight on the ground. Osmond hands it off to high. Lavonte David runs him out of bounds behind the line of scrimmage. What a night he's had.
What's wrong, Marie? You don't like the Band-Aid? You want it off? Huh? You just want it off, huh? You just want it off my finger? You don't like it? I can't believe she's not biting my finger at all.
You got to be able to hide him a little bit so you don't get the big guys on him. But boy, he's a playmaker.
You just want that Band-Aid off, huh? Yeah?
At age 6 in Miami, Oakland said he has tremendous love for the game. Great student of the game and great instincts, as we mentioned earlier.
Ow, careful. Careful, teeth. Careful. Good girl.
Well covered by
Good
Damian Stafford.
Looks like she's swallowing my finger.
Stafford does a nice job at the end of this thing. There's the pump again. There's time for him to be able to throw.
Crowd wants an offensive
That could have been
pass interference call as they see the replay.
No, that's okay. Let him play.
It's football.
Yeah.
This is right on the edge of field goal range now. It would be 49 yards from here.
Careful.
As long as 47.
Teeth. Careful. Do you have a cut under there?
Tended for Devin Smith. Alfonso Dennard in coverage. And now what will Luke Fickell do? Basil's career long is 47.
Ow.
This would be 49.
Careful. Teeth. Careful.
Pressure that time. Good coverage outside by Dennard. But they finally
That's
got back
better.
a week ago their best cover guy.
Looks like they're going to go for it. Basil was standing there. Luke Fickell, well, here comes.
I would try it here, son. Ooh, interesting. I would try the field goal here.
You just don't like that Band-Aid, huh?
Basil has the leg. He hasn't kicked one longer than 47, but he has the leg.
You just want it off?
Last year, he tried
Hmm?
just a couple of
You just
long
want it
field
off?
goals and both blocked 50 plus.
Flag.
Delay a game.
You just want it off of there, huh?
I would decline it.
Yeah, because now it gives the punter a little more
Yeah?
room with which to work. Braxton Miller has to go into the dressing rooms back on the field. Ankle injury moments ago in the third quarter.
They don't have enough guys on the field.
Oh, Nebraska didn't have anybody on the field. And they had about 6 men, and they just did get a timeout. He didn't set the ball, said Bo Pelini.
Are you going to give it?
A couple of other words mixed in.
Oh, you're getting part of it off. You got a string hanging there. Yeah, you got the string.
Southwest makes the call.
You think it's okay now? Yeah? Think we can leave it on there? Okay. Good girl.